Are you okay? You look a little winded.
I'm not used to this much running. Usually I swing after criminals, but all the buildings are only like 6-7 feet tall.
Well, what you really need is some grit.
Grit? Grit like this? Or like this?
Or like this.
No, always lift, never quit.
Now that's grit.
Come on, we'll show you.
American Crane makes high quality lifting equipment. So we are one of the leaders in the country for material handling. We lift a lot of big heavy things and a lot of really important things. And we build that equipment. Because everyone here at American Crane is gritty. It means we have a lot of perseverance, we have a lot of integrity, we make sure the customer's happy with what we got and has the best high quality gear that we can supply them with.
Grit is about being able to roll up your sleeves, not being afraid to get in there, being willing to help, even if it's not necessarily your specific position, just being able to work hard and work as a team.
The workplace here is actually really good. There's a culture that starts at the top with the leadership, that everyone is very personal, even from the president and CEO all the way down to the person who may be sweeping the floors.
The big thing with American Crane, I think, is we're a small business. We do everything here, so we see it from start to finish.
I might be working in the realm of just drawing or a model that I can't really gauge the full scope of. Everything that I work on in a month or two, I'll start seeing it out there in the shop.
What's so cool about manufacturing is, to me, it's a different world. When I get to walk through the shop, the smells, the sounds that you hear, even kind of just the vibrations, it's such a different environment, and it's everything you see in the movies and TV, all those polished things that you see out in the world, they start in those kind of humble places in the beginning of somebody, putting hammer to nail and getting the job done.
Go get him, Bug Boy! Thanks, American Crane!